So the first step I do is rinse my face with warm water. The thing behind warm water is that it should open up your pores. If you use hot water or cold water, it just won't be effective for really cleansing your pores. So warm water only, not hot, just warm, not cold, just warm. Okay? Got it. And after I put the warm water on my face, I go in and create a lather with my Shea Moisture virgin coconut oil daily hydration bar. I've been using this for quite a while, and I like the way that it leaves my skin looking smooth and even. Coconut oil provides essential nutrients for the skin as well as the hair. And in using this product, I've noticed my skin to be a lot more consistent in the moisture retention. Now, if anyone has a problem or question about the way I'm washing my face, being that I'm not using a washcloth, essentially this soap contains exfoliation factors, and a washcloth would be another agitating exfoliating factor. So in order to keep my skin smooth and even, I actually don't use washcloths that often. If I have a breakout or something that needs some little bit of extra attention, I'll go in and use something like a washcloth or other exfoliation tools. Now, after I've created a lather and exfoliated pretty well, I go in and again rinse with that warm water. I can't emphasize this enough. The warm water goes in and completely cleans out your pores, and it allows them to remain open and allows the lather to remove the excess oils and dirt from the pores. After I rinse my face with warm water, I'll go and use a towel and just pat my face dry. To ensure that my pores are in fact clean, I go in with the Shea Moisture Men Daily Exfoliating Pad with Witch Hazel and just go through and wipe my face once again, exfoliating any excess dirt or oils that could have been left behind from the wash. Since these pads do contain witch hazel, they actually are a 2-for-1, and being that they can also be considered a toner as well. So I skip that step in my normal daily routine. After I'm done exfoliating and washing and all that good stuff, I go to the ITK Brightening Vitamin Serum with vitamin C. Now, what this serum essentially does is it gives you a glow, essentially evening your skin tone. Now, ITK seems to be a fairly new brand. I hadn't seen it before, but I decided to try it this time, and so far in my regimen and routine, I've enjoyed it. The final step of my skincare routine is to put on the Caricature Aqua Defense Day Cream with sunscreen as well, which it essentially shields me against daily aggressors like pollen and dust. It also provides a triple hydration, and it protects my skin from UV rays with the SPF inside of it. I didn't really understand the importance of an SPF, especially as being an African American person. I really didn't understand how important it was, but since using Caricature, I've noticed my skin to be a lot more vibrant in the complexion factor. And since you guys stuck around for the skincare routine, I'll give you guys a little hair routine as well. The first step of my hair routine is to get some warm water and just begin wetting the tops of my hair, going in the pattern of my crown. If you're not sure what a crown is, it's essentially the pattern that my hair grows in. Now while wetting my hair, I do use my hands to just brush it down and continue the laying process. The two products I like to use on my hair are the Shea Moisture for Men Argan Oil and Shea Butter Waves Pomade, as well as the Shea Moisture for Men Argan Oil and Shea Butter Conditioner. And for the conditioner, it's actually called the Coconut Oil and Maca Root. After wetting my hair with warm water, I'll get a little bit of the conditioner as well as a little bit of the Waves pomade mix, and I'll mix it together in both of my hands and just apply it to my hair. Don't be alarmed that it's white in the beginning. After a couple minutes of setting time, it should clear up. After I apply my products and brush my hair, I will apply my do-rag for just a 10-15 minute break while that white stuff is clearing up. But yeah, that's pretty much it for my daily skincare and hair routine. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like down below, subscribe, and leave a comment about your favorite part of my daily skincare routine.